Wonder of nature. Introduction. The world is full of interesting animals. Some animals look strange or have special skin. Let's look at some of these wonders of nature. Anglerfish. Anglerfish spit water as bugs. The bugs fall into the water where the anglerfish catch them and eat them. Trapdoor spider. The trapdoor spider lives in a tunnel in the road. Its home has a hidden door made of silk and dirt. The spider hides in its tunnel to hunt. Beaver. Beavers chew through tree trunks. They make them out of trees, mud, sand, and stones. Chameleon. Chameleon check color to hide themselves. They even check color to show how they feel. Flying dragon. Flying dragons have skin on their side that opens like wings. They jump and glide from the tree to tree. Leaf insect. The body part of leaf insects look just like leaves. The animals blend in well with leaves on trees. The leaf rolling weevil. The female of leaf rolling weevil. The female of leaf rolling weevil grown a leaf into a corn. She lay her egg inside the corn. The leaf hides and protect her eggs. Praying mantis. The praying mantis holds its front legs in a praying position. A mantis has 5 eggs to help its hunt for food. Moles dig tunnels to find and eat worms. The animals have tiny eyes, but they are not blind. Sea dragon. Sea dragons are small fish. They look like ocean plants. Their leafy spots help them catch food and hide from enemies. Conclusion. Interesting animals come in many shapes and sizes. They are all wonder of nature. Goodbye.